It's always fun being the guinea pig in the shop. So, as the shop foreman up here, sometimes I get the fun ones. You know, I was the one that was first in charge of doing R1234YF systems. That was a learning curve. Lost my butt several times dealing with those leaks. And well, last couple days I've been dealing with a Volvo that no one in the shop's ever done that job before, and well, yeah, it sucked. 5-hour ticket, took me about 10. Didn't help that I broke a coolant hose. But that's one of the things that happens when you work in an independent shop, is there's always going to be jobs that come in that nobody's ever done. The same thing is going to apply to dealership techs, because, well, you get to deal with the new models that nobody's ever worked on. And I'm sure for you guys, problems that nobody's ever seen before. So you even have it tougher than independent guys. Because, you know, chances are our stuff's at least a couple years old, and there might be some videos out there or something where how to do it. But I can tell you, taking the supercharger out of a 17 Volvo sucks. Instructions in all data suck. They're not complete. They suck. You know, really important piece of information left out of the instructions. Take all the firewall panels out. Real easy. Well, no, it's not real easy, but it's easier because you can actually, you know, shove your arm in there instead of, you know, not even a chance in Hades of trying to get down there. But literally the information in all data says, yeah, do this, do this, do this, pull the supercharger out. Okay, how do I get to those 2 bolts that are, you know, I have to take out first? So just kind of a rant, because I mean, it's just, that's one of the things that sucks about, well, Volvos in general, is their service information is non-existent in a lot of vehicles. We don't have Vita, you know, and Volvo service information, you know, when you go punch in a code and it comes up with nada in all data and nada in Identifix, well, you're kind of in a, you just kind of have to go by the seat of your pants. And that kind of sucks. Mini rant on Volvo, but I mean, it's just, that's one of the interesting parts about this job, is doing things that you've never done before. Now, I personally don't get intimidated by new jobs. You know, I look at it as you know, this is experience. I need experience. You know, cars don't scare me. You know, pulling a cab off a truck, easy. First one I did, easy. You know, it's not one of those things that I get intimidated by. But it does suck when you're the first one, you've never done it, there's nobody to give you any advice, never guidance. I mean, I could have looked up YouTube videos, but I didn't because, well, I just went in there and got at it, you know? But yeah, stupid job. By the way, the Volvo, a rubber coupling was leaking vacuum, causing a lean code. So, stupid repair for a rubber coupling. As always, thanks for watching. I am the Flat Rate Master.